In this video, we'll be showcasing 12 unique sofa set designs that will give your living room a royal and plush look. Welcome to Blessed Lamp Studios. Be sure to watch the video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Let us know in the comments which sofa design is your favourite. The classic Chesterfield sofa set is a timeless piece of furniture known for its distinctive design. It features an iconic tufted back with deep, evenly spaced buttons, creating a plush texture that adds sophistication to any room. The rolled arms, often at the same height as the back, enhance its grand, classic appeal. Traditionally, the Chesterfield is upholstered in rich, durable leather, typically in dark, stately hues like brown, navy, or maroon, lending it a masculine, old-world charm. However, modern variations of the Chesterfield are now available in luxurious velvet fabrics, which soften its look while still maintaining the vintage allure. This fusion of elegance and comfort makes the Chesterfield sofa a symbol of style and refinement in both traditional and contemporary interiors. A modern minimalist sofa set epitomizes simplicity and elegance through its clean lines and low-profile design. Typically upholstered in soft, neutral-toned fabrics such as grey or beige, this style exudes a calm, understated aesthetic. The minimalist approach focuses on essential geometric shapes with straight edges and subtle curves. Often featuring metal or wooden legs, the overall look is sleek and uncluttered, making it a versatile piece that complements various interior styles. This type of sofa set offers comfort while maintaining a contemporary, functional design perfect for modern homes. A Scandinavian-style sofa set brings the essence of minimalist design, combining functionality with aesthetic simplicity. The light wood frames, often made from materials like oak or birch, emphasize a natural and organic feel. These frames are complemented by soft fabric cushions in subtle, soothing colors such as white, light grey, or pale blue, reflecting the neutral and calming palette typical of Scandinavian interiors. With its slim structure and airy design, this sofa set is ideal for small spaces, promoting an uncluttered, open atmosphere. The focus is on clean lines and practicality, making it a perfect blend of comfort and style for modern homes. The mid-century modern sofa set is a timeless piece that embodies the minimalist yet bold design principles of the mid-20th century. Characterized by its low back and boxy shape, the sofa often features tapered wooden legs, giving it a sleek and elevated look. Typically crafted from luxurious materials such as velvet or tweed, these sofas exude a rich texture and depth. The color palette is often bold and striking, with popular choices including mustard yellow, olive green, and burnt orange, reflecting the era's preference for warm, earthy tones. This combination of form and fabric makes the mid-century modern sofa set a perfect blend of comfort and style, ideal for those seeking a retro yet sophisticated aesthetic. The sectional sofa set with chaise is the perfect blend of style and versatility for any living space. Its modular design allows you to arrange the sofa in either an L shape or U shape, adapting seamlessly to your room layout. Available in a variety of fabrics and leather upholstery, this sectional not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also offers multiple seating options to accommodate family and guests. The inclusion of a chaise lounge adds an extra layer of comfort, providing a cozy spot to relax and unwind. With its spacious feel, this sofa set is ideal for entertaining or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a more classic style, The sectional sofa set can elevate your living area with both functionality and elegance. The traditional wooden sofa set exemplifies timeless craftsmanship and elegance. Its hand-carved wooden frame showcases intricate, ornate details that reflect skilled artisanship, making it a standout piece in any living space. The combination of sturdy construction and stylish design ensures both durability and comfort. Cushioned seats provide a cozy place to relax, while rich fabrics like damask elevate the aesthetic, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication. This sofa set is ideal for traditional or vintage-inspired homes, seamlessly blending classic charm with modern comfort. Whether hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this sofa set enhances the ambience with its warm, inviting presence. The contemporary leather sofa set is a stylish addition to any modern living room, featuring sleek full-grain leather in sophisticated dark hues such as black or brown. This set combines luxury with practicality, boasting polished metal legs that enhance its contemporary aesthetic. Designed with minimalism in mind, the sofa prioritizes comfort and functionality, making it perfect for both relaxation and social gatherings. The clean lines and understated elegance create a chic focal point, seamlessly blending with various decor styles. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening at home, this leather sofa set offers a perfect balance of style and comfort, making it an ideal choice for today's discerning homeowners. The Bohemian rattan sofa set embodies a free-spirited aesthetic, featuring intricately woven rattan or wicker frames that bring an organic, natural touch to any space. Accented by plush, colourful cushions adorned with ethnic or floral patterns, this sofa set exudes warmth and creativity. Its design is not just visually appealing, it fosters a relaxed atmosphere, making it ideal for sunrooms, living areas, or eclectic interiors. The combination of textures and vibrant hues encourages a playful, inviting vibe, perfect for lounging with friends or enjoying quiet moments surrounded by nature. This sofa set seamlessly blends comfort with artistic expression, making it a standout choice for those looking to infuse their home with a bohemian flair. Create an ultra-realistic image of a convertible sofa set with a modern, multifunctional design that easily transforms into a bed. The sofa should have soft fabric upholstery in both bright and neutral color options, showcasing its adaptability for different room styles. The sofa frame should be sturdy, with a sleek minimalist design, making it perfect for small apartments. Include elements of a cozy living space, such as a small coffee table, throw pillows, and a decorative rug to emphasize its practicality and comfort in compact living areas. An Art Deco-inspired sofa set exudes timeless elegance and sophistication, drawing inspiration from the opulence of the early 20th century. Characterized by bold geometric shapes, this style emphasizes symmetry and clean lines, creating a striking architectural aesthetic. The use of rich, luxurious materials, such as velvet or leather, further enhances the set's grandeur, offering both comfort and style. To elevate its visual appeal, the sofa is often accented with brass or gold metallic details, adding a touch of glamour and refinement. These metallic elements contrast beautifully with the upholstery, which is typically done in jewel tones like emerald, ruby, or sapphire. These deep, vibrant colors bring a sense of warmth and richness to the piece, making it the perfect statement furniture for modern interiors looking to capture the iconic flair of Art Deco design. The rustic farmhouse sofa set is a charming and cozy addition to any country-style home. It features natural wood accents that give it a warm, earthy feel, paired with cotton or linen upholstery, available in soft shades of cream or light grey. The design focuses on comfort, offering oversized cushions and soft textures that make the sofa both stylish and inviting. This combination of rustic wood and plush upholstery creates a perfect balance of simplicity and elegance, making it ideal for those who appreciate a farmhouse aesthetic with a touch of modern comfort. A luxury velvet sofa set offers an exquisite blend of comfort and sophistication, making it a statement piece for any upscale living space. Upholstered in plush velvet, this sofa set typically comes in rich, deep hues like royal blue, emerald green, or burgundy, adding a touch of bold elegance. These opulent colours are often paired with gold accents or brass legs, creating a regal aesthetic that elevates the ambience of the room. Perfect for those who appreciate high-end design, this velvet sofa set combines luxury with modern elegance, making it an ideal choice for refined interiors.